Hi, everyone, and welcome to Words of Balance. I have a feeling you spend thousands of dollars every year maintaining your business operations, your home, and your technology. Yet, the most sophisticated tool you own is sitting right here inside your skull, operating on a neglected infrastructure. If you're waiting for a 3-day weekend or a vacation to cure your chronic exhaustion, you are waiting for a miracle that is never going to come. Keep watching to learn how to thrive in a completely different way. I'm Sabrina Cadini, your holistic precision life and well-being coach and the creator of the Life Work Balance System, helping you live better, work smarter, and feel happier by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you're ready to invest in your evolution and learn how to become your best self every day as the intentional creator of your own life, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss an episode. Most high achievers I coach believe they are struggling with focus or discipline. They think if they just try harder, download another app, or force themselves to work longer hours, they will finally get ahead. But your brain is not a machine. True focus is a luxury that your brain only gives you when its physical environment is clean, protected, and properly fed. I touched on this topic in a recent video, and I'll link it here in case you missed it. Now, think about your daily life. We live in a world that is constantly throwing noise, notifications, and useless information at us. Your brain has to process every single byte of that data. And when you don't filter that noise, your brain gets clogged. It gets tired, stressed, and slow. To optimize your brain for outstanding results in your life and career, you must build 3 simple physical boundaries into your day. First, you must build a mental filter. Your brain needs quiet zones to function properly. If you check your phone the second you wake up, you are letting the outside world clutter your mental space before your day even starts. So create a boundary where you protect your morning from notifications and you give your brain a clean canvas to start the day. Second, you must provide premium fuel. I know I sound like a broken record here, but your brain is a highly active organ that needs high quality nourishment to run. When you try to power through your afternoon on processed snacks, sugar, or staying dehydrated, you are running on empty. Nourishing your body with clean food and water is the easiest way to give your brain the biological energy it needs to thrive. And to make it easy for you, I want to share one of my favorite recipes for nutrient-dense energy truffles that your brain will absolutely love. I have included several different ingredient options so you can customize them and have fun with the flavors. You will find the link to the recipe on my blog in the description box below. Now, going back to the list. Third, you must use the oxygen flush. We often think of movement as a way to burn calories, but for your brain, movement is like a fresh wash. When you move your body, you pump fresh oxygen into your head and clear out the waste that makes you feel foggy. So a simple Short walk between tasks during your day can completely reset your mental clarity. Take a moment to reflect. If you treated your brain like the most valuable asset in your life, what is the very first piece of information junk or poor fuel you would filter out of your routine today? I encourage you to write it down for clarity and focus. And if you're comfortable, share it in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Now, I understand this level of evolution is not for everyone, and that's okay. I serve high achievers who are willing to invest deeply in their own growth. But you too deserve to upgrade yourself because you were built for excellence just like them. So if you're ready to stop surviving your day and start leading your life with precision, let's talk. I invite you to schedule a free clarity call with me today. Together, we look at the whole picture and find the path to your most energized, high performance self. Also, I would encourage you to check out my seasonal life work mastermind. This is a highly selective 10-week program where we implement these brain wellness protocols in addition to other relevant topics related to life work balance to help you thrive. There are only 8 spots available. And if you're watching this video as it is released, we start in just a few weeks, September 16th. You can find the link to choose your day and time for my clarity call, plus the link to apply for my mastermind in the description box below. If this perspective helped you see your daily habits in a new light, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps my visibility so I can reach more high achievers who are ready, just like you, to become their best self every day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you in my next video.